5 Unexpected Signs Your Manifestation is on its way, Part 2. You start to see other people getting or receiving things you want for yourself. Before manifesting what you want in this life, sometimes it may be put right in your face. This is normal. You may start to notice others around you getting some of the things you have been asking for. To put it clear, the universe will send signs, and one of them is to show you the very thing you want more and more often through other people or places. Just know you are getting close to your manifestation when this happens. Sounds strange, but it is a sign you must pay attention to. Let's say you ask for a new car and you go outside and your neighbor pulls up to tell you about her new car. Well, don't be discouraged. It is one of the signs that tell you are getting closer. We as humans have a tendency to start asking, why not me? Instead, say thank you for bringing what I want closer to me, and be happy for the lady next door. Be very careful with these kinds of thoughts. Take that information and build on it. It is called momentum. It's a very clear sign that most people cannot see. Don't be one of them people. Remember, it is simply a sign that your manifestation is on its way. Here is my personal experience on a similar situation. It went like this. I have longed for a swimming pool in my backyard. Back then it wasn't a fancy house, but I had enough space for a swimming pool. I would look out my bedroom and see it almost every day. I envisioned this pool and deck so much. At one point it was all I wanted. Needless to say, it was summertime, very hot out. Well, that summer nothing happened, but sure enough Christmas came around and my friend's mother called me up. She wanted to surprise her daughter with, yes, you guessed it, a swimming pool for Christmas. I thought, oh God, is this a joke? But I remembered all my lessons on manifesting, and I helped her mum surprise her. I even planned a vacation just to get her out of town while it was being put in. Well, in the process of doing all this, I found out swimming pools are so much more cheaper to buy in winter. Yes guys, I got my pool January the very next month. Bottom line, know the signs, get on the same page as the universe. The vibes are real and it is always working for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to be notified anytime I post a new video.